Hi all of you, in today's video I am going to show you what is Git Stash. Okay, so let me just log in. As a root user first. Okay, so now I am in Canada Git. Okay, not in Canada Git, I am going to Canada Git. So now I am in Canada Git. Okay, this is my machine which is running on Canada region. Okay, so now what is your Git stash? Let me first check what all are their files. So there are two files, muscle car, as you all know who have watched my video of revert. Okay, git revert. So muscle car file was made at that in that video. Okay, so let me just make a new file for you all, not vi. Let me just make a empty file, touch file, only file. Okay, so my name of file is file. Okay, or let me write file1. File1 is good. So let me add this file, git add file1. Now it's time to commit, git commit -m. Now it's time to write any message. Let me write file1. Okay, file1. Now everything is going good. One file changed, two deletion. One file changed, two deletion. What all are deletions? I really don't know. Okay, so let me check git log first. Okay, git log. So this is my last commit, latest commit. Okay, so now it's a m2 quit from here, and now let me open this file 1. Okay, and add something here. Let me add code 1. Okay, code 1. So at this moment let me write code, not code 1. Let me write code xyz. Okay, so at this moment my manager told me that just leave this task and you can do it later. Just do my task, just write my code. If you are a developer, I am taking a scenario related to the developer. Okay, so now he is telling you that just leave this task and focus on my task. Just leave this, you can do it later. Okay, so now you have written code. You can do like this. First you can save and quit from here, and you can run this command git stash. Okay, so now if I do cat file1, so now you can see there is nothing in your file. Okay, let me show you, there is nothing. Okay, vi file1. So as you can see, your code 1 is your code xyz is now disappeared. It is gone to an area, to a stash area where you can retrieve your data later whenever you want. Okay, so let me write here anything. Okay, so let me just leave it like this only. Okay, let me just go back. Okay, so now there is a command git stash list. Okay, so you have sent only one time data to stash, so that's why it is showing 0. But if I add something else, let me write file1. Let me write something like code abc. Okay, let me write like this, abc. Okay, now it's time to save and quit. So if I do git git stash again. Okay, so now you can see that again it is stashed, and if I run this command git stash list, so now you can see that it is showing two times. Okay, let me run that command again. So 0 is your latest one is your 0, and first one is your the second last time, okay, which contains code xyz. This contains code abc. So this is your latest one, recent one, and this is your before that one, okay. So let me show you cat file 1, okay. There is nothing, okay, because your content, your data is go there is nothing because your data is gone through stash area, okay. But if you want to retrieve your data, how can you do that? There is a simple command. If you want to retrieve your xyz data, okay, code xyz, so how can you do that? Git stash and just write this here, okay. Before that you can write apply. Now you can write this stash @1, okay, if you want your xyz, okay. So now you can see that this is your modified file 1, okay. So let me clear screen. If I cat again, if I check what is in your file, now you can see there is your xyz code, okay. And if you want your abc code as well, what is the command? Git stash apply stash 0, do it 0, okay. Please commit your change, test them before error. Your local files would be overwritten by okay. So it is saying that your file will be overwritten because they both contain same name, okay. That's why it is showing. So okay, so if you want, let me just show you again. Let me just open your file 1. Let me just remove this stuff from here, okay. Let me just save and quit again. So if you want that abc code, your local changes to the following files would be overwritten by merge file 1. Please commit your change or stash them before aborting, okay. So you can retrieve your data by applying. So I got the problem. So first you have to commit, okay. So first you have to commit the empty file, okay. Let me add your file, okay, file 1. It's time to commit as well. So my message is too big. So now it's time to apply stash, okay. So let me first show you that my file contains nothing, okay, file 1. So it is empty, okay. But if I apply this stash 0, auto merging file 1 conflict, merge conflict in file 1. Let me open file 1. So conflict is there. So as you can see that your code abc is now retrieved, okay. So you can do it like this, okay. So there is your conflict. And who folks haven't watched my conflict video, git conflict, you can check it out in your playlist section, okay. There is a playlist of git and github, okay. So this is your git stash. And if you want to read about stash, so you can read in the document which is in your description. You can check it out as well, okay. So yeah, that's about for today. That's about for git stash. In the next video I will show you what is git rebase, okay. It is also really important topic, git rebase. I will show you in my next video.